Okay, this video is going to be on how to import these two-dimensional Simpson detailed drawings into Revit. Because really the only 3D model that I brought in from Simpson was for the column cap, and I had to edit it to make it work. The end caps, they don't have a 3D model for this. They have them available in AutoCAD format, but they don't have a one for Revit. So what we do is you find the one that you want, and I honestly cannot remember if this was the GLB5 or the GLB36. I think it was the 5, GLB5, 5A, something like that. And they have a left hand and a right hand one. Okay, and it's either a DWG file or a DXF file. So you'll download that and then open it in AutoCAD. So open AutoCAD and then open that file into AutoCAD and see if you need to do any edits to it, because there might be text involved, there might be dimensions, there might be an actual beam drawn in there, there might be a concrete wall here. And so clean it up and delete out all the extra stuff first. Save it back as a DWG file. Okay, and then in Revit, and you'll end up, you need to do the beam seat, and where'd it go? Okay, here. I think I did the joist hangers also, because that looks like a name coming. Yeah, that's a name coming from Simpson. So I did joist hangers. There are some joist hangers in Revit. I don't know how well they'll work or not, but I brought them in from Simpson. So here's what you do. In Revit, you go File. I'm going to go New, Family, and I want to choose a detail item template. Now, if it doesn't come to here when you go to start a new template file, here's where here's where they're loaded at. They're in Revit 2019, Family Templates, English I for Imperial, and I want the detail item. That's going to be the template that I'm going to use to start with. So I'll go open that. Okay, and once I've got that, I want to go Insert, Import CAD, and then go to wherever you have your download saved at. I have mine in a folder called Simpson Anchors, and so there's the right hand one. So I'm going to bring that in, and all this stuff down here. We ran into this yesterday while I was working through with him on the scaling of the thing. Import units. While you're in AutoCAD, you may want to check the units that the thing is drawn in AutoCAD. Make sure it's in inches. I'm going to assume it was in inches when I brought it in. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see once we get it. Okay. And so a lot of times it'll place it kind of origin to origin. If not, you can move it however around you need to do. Okay, so once we got it in here, let's check the size on this. Okay, because it should be 3 inches across there. Okay, now we've got it in here, and we can go File, and you can go Save As, and it's going to save it as a Revit family file, and I'm going to call this one GLB. I'm going to say right. Okay, and then you can load it into your project from here. Save it first, then you go load it into your project. and then place it, okay? Because it is a 2D detail component, so it's just like all your other stuff now. So there'll be that one. There's joist hangers, the MST strap. There is a strap available in Revit, but you can get the MST strap and bring it in. Also, there are bolt heads that you can use. Did I have? Oh, I've got it on another detail here. Let's see. Structural beam column. Okay, so this one, I just drew this one. I just found it was easy enough just to draw it. You can bring in the MSTs. I just use regular bolt heads, 3/4 inch diameter bolt for that. These I used 1/2 inch. I think they actually, the specs on this I think call for 3/8, but they didn't have a 3/8 bolt head. Anyway, so you want bolt heads on all these straps. Now back to, you've got these straps and embeds, and you've got this detail here where it's parallel with the beam, and then you've got another one. Not that detail. It'll be in this detail, but there's a strap up here. So the strap is laid flatways. Well, here's the process that I use to create that detail. So they all have a steel plate and an embed anchor and then a strap welded to it. And in this one, the strap is laying flat on top of the plywood. Okay. So if I come back to here and a date, and I'm going to draw a rectangle. And I do believe that this one is a 3/8 by 3. Okay. So I get my size set. And I want to do a fill region on it. And you'll need to load the steel hatch pattern. Okay. I guess I missed a line, huh? There we go. Okay, so there's that. And then we have an embed anchor, and I used a component for it. And it was and this is in Revit. You can load it in the Division 5. It's a shear connector. Yeah. Okay, and so I'll let me hide my dimensions here. Do some aligning with this, and I'll pull it up. I'm going to pull it up and align it to there and lock it. Okay, so I'm not going to do that for you, but you can do that. Now the next thing was the plate, or the strap, I'm sorry. So I don't see it there, so let me, Well, I thought then carpentry. Sorry. Let me go to carpentry. Or I thought HST strap. There we go. So this will work for what we're doing, or you can get the MST. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right there. I don't remember what the length on this is supposed to be, but you can certainly come in here. There's different types right there, and you can pick it or edit it and change the length, and then it'll get aligned to the face of that and locked to that. Now you can also add the bolt heads for this, whatever you need, and then group it together. Let me hide that. Okay, and so once you've got it assembled, everything together, select them all, and I want to create a group, and I'm going to call it MST side view. Okay, and so now it's a group, and you can move it as a group. You can actually use it up. I don't know why that. I guess you can adjust your XY point for the thing. Okay. I didn't mean to do that, but now it moves as a group. You can actually load it and place it as a group in other drawings. Okay. So if you got questions, come see us on WebEx or send me an email. We'll get it figured out for you.